Black River. As you can see, that was the old church, Anglican church. That's the police station over there. This is where you have the Chinese store and the supermarket behind us. When you look over there, that's the market. And all those places are damaged. We don't even have any clothes. This is our situation at hand right now. And we are pleading for help because we need help. We are basically stuck in Black River and we cannot come out. Look, if you look around, everybody's trying to survive. This is survival mode. But most importantly right now, we're just telling Master God thanks that we are alive and we have endured the worst. So when you think your situation is worse, remember there's somebody else that is going through a worse situation than you. So let us give thanks in all that we're doing. Big up Daddy Jesus.
Are you still in the park? We're trying to help citizens.
Brand new supermarket out by Fairfield Westgate, right? Active one center over there, so everything underwater. Right?
Mud, just a testament to the sheer force of water that Hurricane Melissa pushed into this town. Right now the road is not impassable, but many residents are turning back out of fear of punctures, stuff like that. We see residents using blocks placed in the road to cross the street. Sections seem to have broken away completely, and in some areas the mud is knee deep.
they got Wi-Fi in the front. See there, my business place get fucked. Not the club. The regular restaurant and bar and a restaurant. You get fucked chat. The star mad. Remember a twin bar me have. See next one of us a flat out. The regular bar is a flat out. No more vibes in that crossroad chat. See it here. See the kitchen demolished. You see me? Fridge around here, so I say fridge around here, see him. Oh, thank God the fridge there, see him. See it there. See it there. The kitchen over there, sir. Jerk center over there, sir. Mash up, man. Gone. Man, I think God. And this was all wall. This was all wall. The wall in break. This time is not normal. Hurricane bar house. See there, see all who know. See there, 2 bar 1 time, no sir? I can't get to go to the club yet, because I road black.
Get it. Wow. Okay. Look at this. Completely. Alright, we're now gonna plant these trees. Look at these. Wow. Can't manage the. Look at this. Alright. Nick, your trees.
K-Valley, current situation.
I'm here to take the report.
This money I was sent for the video. Some man in the pan. You want to observe that's why. From who? Observe who? Good morning, no good.
Morning, yeah man, you good?
What I'm doing for phone yard.
Nothing happened to you too bad, what I'm to your yard.
Why the cloud isn't gone, but
you good
life,
see
life, we there.
And how your neighbors?
Neighbor them, why when I house stop gone, but we there I go through, you know.
Just a hold it. Alright then.
Piet.
What's your first name?
Piet, Patrick.
Patrick Piet. Alright, Patrick.
Big up.
She had got coffee, and about 3 minutes later, the window shattered. And this is the remnants of Hurricane Melissa. She had got coffee.
Maybe they got Wi-Fi in the front. Nobody can have classic. So we are going to promote.
You can see that it's a little bit of a waterfall in here right now. But you know what? Compared to what we just went through, just again, for the storm out what we went through, for it to be only like right here, that can be replaced.
I don't know. I know they were giving food out downstairs, right? Yeah, but
And this is where we were earlier. This is right outside of where we were earlier. The front of the building is actually right there.
oh, they're all.
Nobody was in this. We can
School. Like if boy go over there with the baby, me see him over there. And school, that much of freedom.
Where's it come from?
Oh my
gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh yes, sir. World zinc fence.
Lord of gosh.
On the gas station.
Gas station.
On the glass, watch it.
Oh my gosh. Where says it come from?
As far as I can see, Mrs. Hilltop clean. There is no house. If you can see directly in front of me there, so out of my shop flat. Flat as mat. All the way to Beaufort. No house. Oh my. In Rocky Point. Why? This is still going to take some work for all the fishermen to get back on track. So you can see water is in this boat. Look at that. The gentlemen over there, their boats, they're actually dipping out, taking water out of the boat. And can you imagine, this was not where the eye passed. Rocky Point.
River to Rati. Fear Valley Town cover underwater.
Alright, so this is right in front of my house. That's there is my house over there in the brown, and that's the house across from me. This is on the main road. This is look behind the water cycle. There's a lot of people.
So this is the aftermath of everything. Every ground floor houses in Kitchener district has and have been flooded completely. So the entire river water washed the entire Kitchener community. And right here is just a small fraction of what happened into other communities within the further section of Kitchener. I believe water went up to roughly 7 feet high, gushing through the entire community. So every ground floor houses is completely flooded. Persons have to evacuate going upstairs to their neighbor houses yesterday around 7 to 8 o'clock when the water started to rise dangerously. As you can see, some persons trying to see if they can clear some water, the drainage, so water can start run off, so people can start clearing away muds from the houses.
Ain't good money. Yeah. Cover. Youth cover. Yo, boy, what? Yo, people, if you listen, white man live. Right, I phantom pussy. Boy, you should make this a reach, you know boy? Should make you reach your heart, and you know better. Boy, I know, say I reach you again, though, not you? What is it? I'm selling house here. Probably if you run a Jew, you come down. So close to you, not that I hold on for you. Better go. And if you run a Jew, you come down, not you? Probably my priest here upstairs house. My priest here upstairs house. One to you, where you sleep? Alright, we're going to take you. Back you up.
What if people are still inside? Look at that roof. Where them people? She's not pretty. Where them people?
Thank you.
seeing on the road, not even potholes, but craters. Like you can see where the roads crumbled under the pressure of the water and the wind. So the roads are impassable. Some areas are still flooded, and there are utility poles in some sections of the road, trees. The residents, though, they're quite resilient, so they have been on the road all morning trying to clear sections of the road. On Tuesday, though, we were basically marooned. We're not able to leave the Treasure Beach area because a lot of trees blocked the road. So we're in Treasure Beach all day yesterday, and I think for us, we started to feel the brunt of the storm from around Monday night and all day Tuesday. Heavy rain, extremely strong winds. We're not able to leave the room for most of the day, basically. You could hear like the zinc and parts of people's roof, just falling in the wind, the whistling, the howling. At some point, water was coming from the walls. I don't even know how to explain it. I was looking to see where the water was coming from, but it is just so hard to explain. The rain was just so intense, and we got over 24 hours of rainfall just being in the Treasure Beach area. For the most part, no, everyone in southern St. Elizabeth is without electricity, no water in some areas, no connection. St. Elizabeth, I'm actually in Junction right now. It's the only place we can get a little signal, and even then it's not stable. I think right now I'm physically okay, but just mentally exhausted. Looking at the damage and devastation all around, it's a lot.
Melissa had on it. Now, as we enter the restaurant, it's normally covered, but right now there's no roof. Community members are here to help the owner, as we will speak to him to see how exactly the impact has left him.
I'm feeling bad in it, but you have to take it. I mean, can't control it. I'm preparing right now. I'm starting at it right now. Tomorrow I get in at it. I'm going to pull it down and start business. So I want it fast as ever. So I get enough work, man, for them time. My son, they want to be in a business.
I'm surrounded by seagrass here at Oswald, something a lot of persons are not fond of. Now this right here, speaking with the owner, Mr. Oswald himself, he mentioned that this served as an act of God.
Oh, the seagrass, it brings grass. So bit of the grass, now everyone nothing is good there. Yeah, the seagrass is wonderful to me. I don't know who else but me glad for seagrass.
As you can see behind me, community members here at the Oswald restaurant, they're here helping Mr. Oswald, and I had to ask them, why did they come to help Mr. Oswald?
We want the players to get back quick for the food has stopped. You understand? The food store and bad. And we can't afford for that. I remember say picking to go back to school and someone is straighten up. So we just get everything together quick. Wouldn't mind as possible, we get everything straightened up by Saturday.
As you heard from community members, it is not just Mr. Oswald that will be derailed. This, as St. Elizabeth, was one of the most affected areas. So if you can help someone, please reach out and help. I'm Antonia Atkinson, reporting for TVJ News.
The KFC here, so road mash up.